Any kind of neurological disorder is always the same way. Your body is acidic. The acidity is blocking energy flow. This is lymph flow, blood flow, nerve flow. Especially in this case, it's nerve flow. If you have a block of nerve flow, you have neurological disorders. Okay, and these are words they give it to neurological disorders. When we are trying to fix these things, we're not looking at fixing the actual name. We're trying to fix the whole entire body, get the nervous system back in order. So 3 things you gotta target. Number 1, you go on Hampton fruit diet. I would go on a high berry diet, like a grape only diet, and I would use the Fabulous 5 kidney tea. I would use neurological tincture about 5 times a day. Okay, I would work on the back of my head, the cerebellum here. It's a nerve center, houses nerves. It's a nerve center for the nerves. So you want to cleanse it up. You want to clean your bowels, okay? Solar plexus, the nerve center, and then clean your adrenal glands. Those 3. That means use extra herbs for those, okay? And you need time. It's going to take you time because neurological disorders are kidney and lymphatic issues as well as adrenal issues, and it's chronic, so it's going to take a little bit of time, but you're going to feel better as you go along, okay? Use circulation tincture for the head, send blood flow there, use neurological tincture, lots of it, and you see things will get better, okay?